Yeah. Started. Let me share my screen.
Mm.
So you have any issue, any problem, any query from this calculated column?
No,
Okay.
no, it's
Just
it's quite good, but it's a matter of format. Just I need to make sure it's correct.
which one?
I
Hello.
mean, I have to write that the logic.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, yes. Just use paper and pen
you
first,
can.
okay? Paper and pen, just use it and
Okay.
spend time on it, okay? Just don't jump over the this
My
okay?
question:
Yeah.
How who will correct me in pen and paper? You got me?
No, no, logic. Okay, maybe you are not able to get a correct code there, but you can able to figure out the logic there. Okay, you need not to write these all coding there.
Okay,
You have to first, write the logic behind it. Okay.
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 Mhm.
So, okay, just a theoretical part. Why? Okay, usually we should avoid to use calculated columns because we have created calculated columns and it has already took the space, you know. So that is the same problem with
Mm,
calculated column that it uses the physical space that reduce the speed of our report. Okay, until unless it's
mhm,
quite mandatory, we should avoid creating these calculated columns. Okay, though it's looks quite fascinating, creating a calculated column, but
yeah.
usually we should avoid until it's until unless it's quite necessary. Okay, let's come to the next topic, which is measure. Okay, so there is another way. There is another what is called. There is another you know thing where we use DAX after calculated columns, calculated
Mm,
uh, table. We use DAX in our measure. So we have already created some of you know the examples like
mm,
this.
mm,
Okay, this is called measure. So what is the measure? Basically, measure and what is the difference between calculated columns and measure? So you can see that it has not, it is not stored anywhere. Okay, in physical appearance, measure is not stored anywhere. Okay,
mhm,
it works on,
mm, mm.
you know, on what it's called. Um, when you need, you can get it. Okay, it's not stored anywhere in your
Okay,
report. Okay, so that's why it is fast than calculated
okay.
columns. Okay, so usually we use it. So there is an example of measure that you have seen here. Okay, we will create some other measures and look into the logic behind it. Okay. So another thing I just want
Mm,
to clarify, how does it look? This is the sign of table. Okay, this is the sign of calculated table.
mm.
You can see here in date table new. Okay, this is the sign
Yes,
of
yes, yes, yes.
calculated column. This is the sign of calculated column. Okay, and this is the sign of a measure,
Mhm,
calculate calculator kind. So you have to keep
yes.
in mind what is the symbol of every each other. Okay, every one of them. What is the
Okay.
symbol? Okay, now let's talk about. Okay, can you see this discount here over discount, and you can see the sigma.
Yes, yes.
This is also a
Mm.
measure. This is a symbol of measure, but it is implicit measure. Implicit measure means that Power BI is able to do the sum by itself. Okay, you can see here. Don't summarize this
Okay.
this one. No? This is the summarization. Okay, so
Mm.
this is the implicit measure that Power BI does itself without using DAX. And this is called the
Mm.
DAX we have used to make a measure. It is called explicit measure. Okay, so explicit measure we can use them in different uh, measures, creating different measures, but different measures or calculations. Okay, but implicit measure has a limitations. We can't use them directly. Okay, so
Mm.
now let's dig into this growth growth percentage. So remember what was the purpose of this growth percentage?
To give a calculation,
So
to give
yeah,
uh, growth.
yeah, to give uh, growth percentage of from 2014 to
Yes.
2015. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yes, yes.
at this time, okay, I have just hide it and I'm just unhiding it. Okay, I'm making a
So will you
relationship.
give me just 1 minute, please?
Yeah,
Because
sure.
1 minute, please. Okay. I
No
take my
worries.
medicine 1 second.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I have
Yes.
just hide, what date we have created, that date table new and shape data. I'm just deleting this one. Okay, I'm just keeping this one here. It's unhide, but it's not has any relationship with any table. So what I'm going to do, I'm just resuming the relationship with our previous table with the, you know, with this order table. Okay. So this is the date table, and where is the order date? Yeah, here it is. Okay, I have just resumed it. Mm, okay, give me 1 second. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I'm just saving it, made the connection, and we got our relationship back with every visual. So now what I'm going to do is let's check it. So what this growth percentage working on? It is showing the growth sales from 2014 to 2015. Okay. But what if I want to show the year over year? Okay. Year over year revenue, the same thing. But it should be, dynamic for 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me do it for you. So, okay, it is here. Let me open another one and let's do one thing. I am having this bar chart, column chart, okay? And here I'm giving you
Mhm.
the revenue, the total revenue, which was total sales and total revenue. What was this? Total revenue, order total sales, and total sales was same. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, this is my total sales, but with which I'm going to show it. I'm going to show it with here. Okay, so it is showing me in the sales for 2012, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, now I just want to show the growth. Growth means year over year uh, revenue. Okay, year revenue. So right now it's showing
Mm.
me. Let me do one thing. Let me format it. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. I'm just doing the value. Display switch axis position. No. Title column data label. I'm just doing data label on. So it's showing me this this result. Okay. Okay. Now I have to see from which percentage it has grown over the years. Okay. So we have already made
Okay.
the calculation here, the measure here, but it's for 2014 and 2015. What we have to is we have to
Mm.
make it for we have to make it dynamic. Okay. So there
Mm.
is a function that is called same period last year. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to use that one to get this. So let me first open the document same period last year DAX. Okay, I just wanted to show you how it works. So this is the same period last year and it works on dates. Okay, let me show you if let me copy it first. Okay, copy and I'm just pasting it here. So if I need last year's sales, okay, last year sales. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I need calculating total sales, same period, last year, and date. What I'm going to do is I'm giving the date. No, it's not. This is the date. Okay, I'm just putting it here. Here. Okay, now I'm just putting the last year's sales here, and you will see here. What difference you can see now? Just tell me.
Mm.
Is it
This is
visible?
only 3 years and this is 4 years. Yeah, yeah.
It's visible, no? Okay.
2012 not there, not included.
Yes, because we don't have any year before 2012. Okay, so the second one,
Mm.
the last year sales is showing us the revenue or the total sales of the last year. Okay, here you can see it's our present year. Okay, in 2015 we have
Mm.
we have gained 4.3 sorry 4.3 million as a sales, but
Mm.
in 14 we got 2000 sorry 3.4 million. Okay, here you can see in 2015 we have got 3.4 million. Okay, in 2014 we
Mm.
got 2.7 million, which is the revenue of 2013. Okay, so this function
Mm.
shows us the calculation based on the previous period. Okay, let me do one thing. I don't want it as per you know mm, as per year. I just want it as per date. Okay, let me do it. It's clear to you, na? What is trying to show?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Let me more clarify it to you. I'm just putting it here. And rather than year, I'm just choosing date. Okay, I'm using date. Now date is quite,
Mm.
you know, big, so we can't get it clearly. But if we are using this one, it looks the same. Okay, so if we select only for 2000, one second, let me check it, 2015. Okay, let me check it for 2014, I guess. There is a filter, here is a filter. Okay, so I'm just checking it for 2014. I'm just taking the air, putting it here, and I'm just doing basic filter. I'm just doing it for 2014. It's also big. It's also big number because it's showing for every from Jan to November. Okay.
No.
Okay. Now let me see it. So let me see. Let's use here. Okay. It was here. Now I'm just checking it through the date. Okay. And here I'm putting the filter of this date is 2015. Okay. I'm just putting the date 2015. So it will show me, here it is. Okay, 2015. DC filter 2015. So you can see everything same. Okay. Here in,
Mm.
30th December 2015, the sales were this. Okay. Here you will get at 30 December, the sales be the same. Okay. So what basically it does is it shows everything. It shows the same period last year, shows everything which is happened on the same period last year. Hope I'm making sense.
Okay.
Okay. So now, you were asking the question if it is possible to show growth, growth percentage for every year, because here you can see, this was able to show us only for 2014 to 2015. Okay. So with
Mm.
this help, with its
Mm.
help, the same period last, the same period, sorry, once again, here, the same period last year, with the help of this, we can see the growth, by year, year by year, year over year. Okay. So this is the
Mhm.
last sales. This is the last year sales. So to get, sales or revenue year over year, what we are going to do is I am just creating another measure, revenue year over year. What I have to do is I have to minus total sales, and
Mm.
what measure we have made, same period of the last, the last year sales. Okay.
Mm.
With this way, we are able to get what,
Okay.
the growth, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Now let me get it here, rather than let me, where was the revenue here? This is made here, no? So this is the revenue made year over year. So rather than, putting that date, I'm just putting here the year only. Okay. A filter is selected here, so I'm just removing it. So you can see here what is the growth. Okay, that was the growth, because there was nothing before 2012, so it has given the value as it is. Then you can see here, this is the growth, and this is the growth, and this is the growth. Okay. Now you were saying the growth percentage, correct? Growth percentage or
Mm.
year percentage. So what I'm going to do is, I have already, I'm just doing another measure. Um, what year over year revenue percentage. Okay. What I need to do is I need to divide what I am to divide revenue. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. Is equal to divide, and what was the revenue year or year? This one, from which we have to divide it from the last year sales, correct? And I'm just
Mm.
making it blank, blank, and here it is our percentage. 1 second. Why I'm getting so many message? Okay, so I'm just putting again here, and rather than this measure, what I'm going to do is I'm putting that revenue. Okay, where is that? Yeah, YOY, this one. Okay, so you can see that was a growth, basically. That was a growth from the last year we have got. Okay, year over year revenue means growth, yearly growth, year by year growth.
Mm.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is not in percentage, it's 0.18 and 0.27 and 0.26. What I'm going to do is I'm just making it percentage. How? I'm just selecting the format and percentage. Where is the percentage? Here and here. Okay, here, and it is already selected two after decimal. Okay, so this is how it looks. So now you can see you have a growth of 18.50 from 2012 to 2013. 2013 to 2014 you have a growth of 27.20, and from 2014 to 15 you got 26.25, which was here. You got see that we have
Mm.
created manually. Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
so now we have made it dynamically. Okay, this is how it works.
Mm.
So it's fascinating, no? Correct? Interesting. You want try it?
Yeah. Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah. You want to try it, no?
Let me try, but I think, yeah.
I know. I'll guide. I'll guide. We will go step by step.
Yeah. Should I share?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Should I share?
Yeah, please.
Now we need to do this. This is from the problem. We have delete the table, date table.
Oh, okay. So what you have done
Mhm.
is just show me the visual. Show me the visual first. Show me the visuals.
I
Okay.
can't get it back.
No, not from here. Not from here. You have not saved it, no? Did you save it?
No, but I have a test. A second.
No, you can close it. Just close it and don't save. Okay.
Just give me. No.
Because they have done one, right? By myself.
Sorry, you have deleted.
I have done one test. No, 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 no. I opened the one which is already I have done it before with
Mhm.
test
Yeah, it's okay.
test
You
one.
can also, if it's not, retrievable. So what you can do is you can go to the Power BI service and download a copy from there. You can do
Yes,
this thing as well.
but already I have one already working it and I publish it. So just wait. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see, but it's loading. Right.
Yeah, now it's good, right? Now it's test. Supermarket test. You can read.
Yeah, it has back. Yeah.
You can see my screen.
Yes, yes, I can see.
This is same, but I myself. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. See here relation is correct, right? Is there issue with internet or you are not able to hear me or what?
Your voice is
No?
breaking actually. Hello? Hello?
Hmm.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Your
Yes,
voice
yeah.
is breaking in between. So you are saying something?
No, I say the data is already linked for the date.
Yes,
Date is
yes, yes,
correct now.
yes, yes, yes.
And here is 26. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to do a new measure, right?
Yeah. So we have to create a measure for, revenue year over year, that you have written growth
Yes,
year over
year.
year, year over year.
Okay. Is it year over year?
Yes, year over year
Or should I write it?
growth. नहीं 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 नहीं, Y O Y, Y O Y, year over year,
Okay.
year over
Mm,
year. Okay. No, first let's go step by step. Okay. Get the notepad
okay.
first. Get the notepad first. So let's break down it, you know, in more easy way. Let's build the logic first. Okay. Notepad and give me the control then.
Yeah, you have control,
Mm.
right?
Okay. If there is something important, please hide them.
No, nothing,
Okay.
nothing.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I need to get the van. Okay. 1 second. Am I able to? Can you please open the notepad? Sorry. Yeah. Please open it. Yeah. So what I have to do is I have to create revenue. Happened. Why is not? Yeah. Revenue. Okay. What's wrong with it? Okay. Revenue. Okay. So what we have? 1 second. We want to get revenue year over year. Okay. Year over year. For that, what we
Okay.
need? For that, what we need? We need last year revenue. Okay. Okay. And current revenue. Okay. Last revenue and current. Okay. Let's- Okay, let me share my screen. It's not writable here.
My system is slow. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's okay. Give. Okay, you can. Let me share my screen. So the logic is I have to get revenue year over year. Okay. So for that, I want revenue for this current year. Okay. From which I have to minus the last year revenue. Correct? Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Last year. Current
Yeah.
year revenue is
One
nothing.
second. Before 1 second, I want to say something. Can you
Yes.
please delete that part because when I opened the note, all the credential was appear in the screen. So if you can delete that part, it will be great.
Okay, I'm not going to upload this.
No, you can, but you can delete, right? You can just cut it.
Hmm. Okay, okay, I'll do that. Okay, so current year
Thank you.
revenue.
Because
Yeah, no worries. That's why I was worried about your credentials. No? So what happens is, um, this was our current year revenue. That is already we have, got from the total sales. Okay, and we have to find out
Mm,
the last year revenue. Okay, and
okay.
for getting the last year revenue, what we have to get? We have to get it from a function that is called same period, same period last year. Okay, so we will get it from here. So what we are going to get here? Sales, total sales. Total sales means our revenue. Okay, okay. So from here we will get it.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's do step by step. First, you have to write a measure for last year revenue. Okay, and show it to me
Okay.
the visual. Okay, then what we have to do is
Okay.
we will do revenue year over year, where we are going to subtract last year revenue from current revenue. Okay, then what we have to do is
Okay.
you have to show it in where in the visual as well. Then we will go for revenue year over year percentage. Okay. How we are going to get the
Okay.
percentage? Divide the revenue year over year with last year revenue. Okay. Last year revenue, this one, and blank. Okay, so from here we will get revenue YOY percentage that we were discussing about the growth. Okay, so let's share your
Yes.
screen and okay, we have only 1 minute. Okay, we have only 1 minute. We will connect
Okay.
with the new link. Okay,
New one. Okay.
yeah.